1 second. All it takes is 1 second of distraction to turn your family pool into a family tragedy. This is BCone, Lifebuoy's next-generation pool alarm. Thanks to BCone, Dylan is safe. But data shows that drowning is the #1 reason for the death of young children. Yes, even more than traffic accidents. That's why several countries are already regulating the use of pool alarms, with more countries to follow. BCone triggers an alarm in case a large object hits the water in an unoccupied pool. That includes our best friends as well. BCone is the only, yes, the only pool alarm controlled by an advanced algorithm, combined with a smart sensor system and a mobile app. That means maximum accuracy and minimum false alarms. Top-tier materials ensure durability and reliability, with 3 years warranty. The BCone solution is compatible with all shapes, both large and small pools, spas, and hot tubs as well. Installation is quick and easy. All poolside types are supported, so you don't need a professional to do it for you. Going on vacation? BCone is 100% portable, so you can take it with you. The Wi-Fi connected home unit controls several operation modes, and it's friends with Alexa and Google Assistant. Alexa, switch BCone to swim mode.
Okay.
BCone will turn back to on automatically, several minutes after the pool has been vacated. Our easy-to-use, dedicated app is packed with even more advanced features, so you can stay connected and alerted anytime, anywhere. That's why people love our pool alarms. Let's float some product reviews. And what about our stellar service? Oh yeah! BCone now shipping worldwide. Order your BCone today. And remember, no pool alarm, no pool. Your family safety comes first. Be safe, BCone. By Lifebuoy.